At number 4, we have 4,000 square feet of pre-war classic loft living. And that's not even the best part. The best part is you get a private terrace that's bigger than a lot of backyards in the suburbs, right in Chelsea. I mean, it don't get no more roller clip. This 4,000 square foot penthouse is the epitome of loft living, and it comes with 2,500 square feet of private outdoor space. But let's start in the great room, with a ceiling so up to 13 feet with exposed brick, polished concrete floors, skylights, and a wood-burning fireplace. It's massive, open, and bright. It's ideal for everything from hosting a full dinner party to just kicking back. Now, let's make our way to the kitchen. This window pass-through setup is industrial vibes with butcher block countertops, exposed brick, and stainless steel appliances, including a Sub-Zero fridge. It's modern function wrapped in downtown charm, but in Chelsea. Off the main living space is bedroom 1, bright and tucked away, just enough for privacy. We also have a bathroom adjacent to it. Next to this bathroom, we also have a flexible bonus space that can shift with you, whether you need it as a home office, a guest suite, or just a place to create. Next up is the second bathroom, sleek, simple, and functional. Now we're stepping into the primary bedroom. This space is huge, with room for a full king setup and then some. And just off it, you have 2 additional secondary bedrooms, perfect for family, guests, or even more creative space. This apartment is so unique because everybody will use it different. It gives you the versatility to take it in so many different directions. But let's go back in the primary. Now, back in the primary suite, something I wanted to show you guys are these views of the High Line. I thought this was pretty unique because it gives you the ability to experience the city's energy right outside your window. One thing you'll notice about this apartment is it's bathed in natural light with 3 different exposures. But let me show you my favorite part about this apartment. This private rooftop with 2,500 square feet of versatile space. Whether you build out a full kitchen, garden, or just throw a few chairs up here, this is where the magic happens. This isn't just a penthouse, it's a full-blown West Chelsea dream. So to recap, it's 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2,500 square feet of private outdoor space right here in the heart of Chelsea for $8.195 million. You guys let me know what you think of this one because I really enjoyed the versatility it brought. Come back.